Hello, Steve. Now we are testing the machine. Before we packing the machine, the parts will be separated with the machine. So you should remember it. And when the machine arrived and install this machine by your workers, please note it. And for the platform will be installed like this. All of them will be separated when we pack it. Also, for the tank, as it is too heavy for the container, so we make the leg separated as two parts. We will separate it, and it can be installed when you get it. This is the screen. For the bigger one, also like this, and the homogenizer will be setted. This one and that one all will be separated. The frame is installed like this, and the platform. Here also, for the protection, we make the handle also. And this pipe is for connect the raw material, and this stick can be put into the can be put into this tank, and the material will become inside the machine directly with the vacuum suction. And for this machine will be like this. Now when you get the machine, here the wire will be connected, and all of them marked. We will make the manual also, so please don't worry.